Welcome back. Now, across the Caribbean this evening, we do have stable conditions across the open waters, but we are seeing an increase in cloud cover, especially in the afternoons across the Greater Antilles. We do have some moisture convergence because of those strong winds that have been blowing through the region. We're also expecting an increase in moisture across the area over the next week or so. There are warmer temperatures expected based on what we've been previously experiencing across the region. So we're continuing to see or expecting to see increased clouds, especially in the afternoons, and also an increased chance of afternoon showers and possible thunderstorms. Now, the forecast for tonight is for generally fair skies. We're expecting the temperatures to drop to 24 degrees Celsius in Kingston and to 23 degrees Celsius for Montego Bay. Expect 5-knot winds on both coasts from the north on the south, and then the winds are from the east-southeast on the north coast. In the morning tomorrow, we're expecting it to be partly cloudy across especially eastern parishes, but we do have some clouds lingering across sections of inland areas. And then for the afternoon, showers are likely mainly across sections of the west, also across sections of the north central parishes. We're expecting some shower activity. High temperatures are reaching 31 degrees Celsius in Kingston and in Montego Bay. Now, the breakdown has it partly cloudy across the southeast tomorrow in the afternoon for Morant Bay, Kingston, as well as for Halfway Tree, Portmore, Spanish Town and Maypen. We're expecting afternoon showers for Santa Cruz, also for Black River and Savannah Lamar. We're expecting some isolated showers and possible thunderstorms for Negril, while it's mostly cloudy in the afternoon further west in Lucy, also in Montego Bay and Falmouth. Across inland areas, we do expect an increase in shower activity in the afternoon. We're expecting this in Grangehill, in Duncans, in Trelawney, also in Cave Valley. We're expecting isolated showers in the afternoon in Richmond. Also in Moortown, we do see the possibility of some afternoon showers and possible thunderstorms. The next few days has those isolated showers in the afternoons. That's Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. Now for the marine forecast. The winds are back up to 20 knots on the north coast tomorrow. We're expecting wave heights to get up to 2 meters. On the south coast tomorrow, we're also expecting winds between 15 getting up to 20 knots, while wave heights are between 1.5 and 2 meters. And for offshore areas, things remain the same. Easterlies 15 to 20 knots, wave heights 1.5 to 2 meters. The outlook, or at least the sunset times rather, in Kingston tomorrow is at 13 minutes after 6, and at Negril Point, the sunset is at 19 minutes after 6. And that's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening. But we thank you so much for watching.